Hello friends, I am Arnav. Today we are going to learn the countries of North America in an easy way. So now let's start. It is the third largest continent on earth by area, and it is completely located in the northern and entirely within the western hemisphere. And there are 23 countries in North America. Largest is Canada and the smallest is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Now let's see the boundaries of North America with other continent. First, North America and Africa. It is separated by Atlantic Ocean in its western side. Now we will see the boundary of North America and Asia. It is separated by Bering Strait. Now let's see the boundary of North America and South America. It is separated by Panama Canal and Gulf of Panama. Now let's see the surrounding water bodies. Starting from the north, Arctic Ocean, Baffin Bay, Hudson Bay, Labrador Sea, Atlantic Ocean, Sargasso Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Panama, Gulf of California, Pacific Ocean, Gulf of Alaska, and here we find Bering Sea. And for easy understanding, we have divided it into three parts. First is Northern America, then Central America, and the Caribbean islands. Now let's start with the Northern America. In Northern America, there are three countries. Now we will start with the Canada. So this is Canada. This is Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world, and it is separated from USA by 49-degree parallel line, and in the northwest it is separated by Alaska, and it is the world's longest international border. Now we will come to the here. It is United States of America. So it is USA. USA is officially known as United States of America, and it is the third largest country in the world and third populated country after China and India. And as you can see in the north of USA, here are some group of lakes. These lakes are known as Great Lakes. And to remember these lakes, we use a trick, that is HUMS. HUMS. First, H is for Huron. This is Huron. Then O is for Ontario. This is Ontario. Then M is for Michigan. And then E is for Erie. And the last S is for Superior. Take Superior. And now, and there are 50 states in USA. Now here is a land, it is known as Mexico. Mexico is located in the southern part of the Northern America. It is located in the southern part, and it is known for its Chichen Itza, which is a seven wonder of the world. And in the north, it shares its border with USA. Let's see the capital of these countries. Canada, Ottawa. USA, Washington DC. Mexico, Mexico City. We have completed the Northern America. Now let's come to the Central America. In Central America, there are 7 countries. Now let's see them. First is Guatemala. Then Belize. Then El Salvador. El Salvador, then Honduras, then Nicaragua, then Costa Rica, and the last is Panama. Now let's see the capital cities. Guatemala City, Belize, Belimopan, El Salvador, San Salvador, Honduras, Tegucigalpa, Nicaragua, Managua, Costa Rica, San Jose, Panama City. We have completed the Northern and the Central America. Now let's come to the Caribbean Islands. In Caribbean Islands, there are 13 countries, and as we can see, here are some group of islands. The large group of islands are known as Greater Antilles, and the small group of islands are known as Lesser Antilles. Now we will start with Greater Antilles. In Greater Antilles, there are 5 countries. Now let's see them. First is Bahamas, then below to Bahamas is Cuba, and then Jamaica, and then here is an island. It is divided into 2 countries. This one is Haiti, and the another one is Dominican Republic. Now let's see the capitals. Bahamas, Nassau, Cuba, Havana, Jamaica, Kingston, Haiti, Port-au-Prince, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. Now we have completed the Greater Antilles. Now let's come to the Lesser Antilles. In Lesser Antilles, there are 8 countries. Now we will start with the Antigua and Barbuda. This is Antigua and Barbuda. Then the next one is San Kitts and Nevis. And then we find Dominica. And then here we find St. Lucia. And then here is St. Vincent and Grenadines. And here we find Barbados. and then here is Grenada. And then here is Trinidad and Tobago. Now let's see the capital cities. Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's, St. Kitts and Nevis, Bastille, then St. Lucia, Castries, St. Vincent and Grenadines, Kingston, Grenada, St. George, Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain, Barbados, Bridgetown, Dominica, Rousseau. So friends, hope you all learn the countries of North America. Thank you.